I initially joined Restore the Delta in hopes to pursue a career in water management. So I found that the water quality program with Restore the Delta was a great opportunity to get experience in conducting these water quality tests, which are needed to get like a laboratory job. However, once I started my work with Restore the Delta, I found that my community here in Stockton needed me, not just to clean up the water, but there's a lot of climate justice work that needs to be done here.
My experience with the harmful algae blooms testing program has been a contrasting difference from last year. Last year, we didn't have a large amount of entrants or a large quantity of entrants, and this year we doubled. Other things that I found really interesting throughout the water testing program this year was the fact that the differences between the testing last year and the testing this year were influenced by the changes in climate that we have been seeing due to climate change.
This was one of the spots we tested in our harmful algal bloom testing, and some of the most interesting data that we found was in this area where we had one of the most prolonged bloom toxins that we could have all through the entire month of August. We were breaking the limit of our tests, which was up to about 10 micrograms per liter, which on a scale for the warning signs is a sign where you want to keep people out of the water.
With these water samples, I would take them over to the office and do some water filtering, where we isolated some of the DNA and also collected information like the pH level.
And so some of the partners we have for our harmful algal bloom problem are the State Water Resources Control Board, specifically Region 5 of the Central Valley, and they help train us and get it set up for our testing program. And then there's also San Francisco Baykeeper, who has also been able to provide drone footage and coverage of the area, so we can not only get the data but show the pictures along with it, so it gets kind of the full scope of it.
This is something that we must raise awareness on, specifically when we advocate